The 3D printed packaging market size is projected to be valued at $1,210 million in 2023 and is expected to rise to $2,560 million by 2033. The sales of 3D printed packaging are expected to record a significant CAGR of 7.8% during the forecast period. In the past decade, 3D printing possesses the potential to transform product design, manufacturing processes, value chains, and the marketplace's structure. As 3D printing technology advances, value chains are evolving to meet the rapidly developing market's growing and diverse needs. Moreover, the growing demand for sustainable packaging solutions is expected to drive market growth in the coming years.